Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram post on different niches. You can sell this service online on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can attract or grab the local clients, or you can go to websites on google.com and find the websites according to your niche and charge them and ask them that you can maintain their Instagram presence and virality, so they will hire you and pay you. This is the good method to make money online. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create motivational Instagram post on Canva. So let's go towards canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best free online graphic designing tool through which you can create beautiful graphics, and you don't need to be an expert graphic designer, or you don't need to be an experienced graphic designer. Canva do it all for you. You just have to start. So I am clicking on create a design, and here I search Instagram scare. I click on scare. So first of all, I would like to get motivational quotes from google.com. Quotes motivational. So let's pick quote from this website. So it is a motivational quote, so I like this one, so I copy this. And let's see what is the color of motivation. Color for motivation, orange color is for motivation. So let's go. I choose the background color orange. Now I paste the quote here. I put the apostrophes, and now I would like to change the font. This look good. Yeah, it's look great. After that, as I say, must credit the author name. So this is the author name, so I credit this author. Now I have to add one more text in which I write website name. For video purpose I write a fake name, but you have to be you have a must have a website. So that's it. Now the last thing, that we have to attach one element, so I write here motivation. So it's provide me different elements. So let's see which is good. So I think it's good, but the color should be white. And I have one more thing to do. I think it's look great. So that's it. So guys, as you can see, I made a code post in just 2 to 3 minutes for Instagram in Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.